Hello guys, good evening. Am I audible? Am I audible, guys? Yeah. So again, I shared this video just for reference, guys. Okay, because today we are going to discuss about all the possible options for masters and PhD programs, as well as other opportunities later on through GATE. After GATE exam. Fine. So let's start without waiting much. Just a moment, guys. Okay, guys. So this is all about our 2025 programs. So those who are looking for the support for GATE Aerospace Engineering for 2025, they can contact us. And there are different courses available from IGC, GATE online coaching program, target GATE course, GATE online test series, distance learning program, and all. And this is in brief about myself. So myself, Dinesh Kumar Maheshwari, and I'm organizer cum chief mentor at IGC. And these are my academic background as well as experiences. Okay. So now, guys, agenda of this course to know all about masters and different PhD programs. Okay, in India as well as abroad through GATE AE Valid score. Also, in brief about different PSU jobs for aerospace or aeronautical engineers in India, either through GATE or through some other exams. So, what are different courses available through GATE AE score in India? Like there are MTech or ME programs which are of 2 years, okay, for higher studies, okay. Then there are MS or MTech research program which are usually like 2 to 3 years program. And then there is another course, Masters of Design, like in IISc Bangalore or in IIT Madras, and maybe in some other colleges also. Like in IIT Madras, in engineering design department, that course is there. In IISc Bangalore, in CPDM department, this Master of Design course is available. Okay. There are direct PhD programs, okay, integrated PhD programs in several places, including IISc Bangalore, IIT Madras, IIT Kanpur, and other IITs as well. In fact, in IIT Bombay also. And there are direct PhD program under PM scholarship, PMRF. So usually PMRF will be available after joining direct PhD program. And most of you might be knowing in PMRF, people get a very good stipend. Okay, and there are other courses like management courses, mainly like MS in management programs, like in entrepreneurship, especially from IIT Madras. You guys can do MS in management courses also, and possible in other places. You guys can check. Then from IIM also, you guys can do FPM. Okay, uh, this fellowship in uh, fellowship program in management, FPM programs are available in IIMs, okay, through GATE score, okay. And guys, other courses like masters you can do from abroad, mainly from Germany and Singapore, based on a valid GATE score. Clear? So these are the programs, guys, available based on a valid GATE score. Now, guys, next is like in what different areas you can do your master's or PhD, either from India or abroad. So you, for most of aero people, core is very close to their heart, right? So subjects like in areas like in aerodynamics, aero propulsion, aerostructure, flight physics and control, fluid machinery. So these are core, you know what you learn in aeromechanical subjects, right? Then you guys can do your masters in pure mechanicals, domain also, like in fluid machineries, turbo machineries, machine design, and then fluid and thermal engineering, CAE, CAD and CAM. So guys, don't think like if you have a valid gate score, you are only eligible to do masters in aero related domain. No, you can do your masters in pure mechanical domain also. In fact, you can do your masters in areas like mathematics simulation, or in AIML, nowadays in artificial intelligence and machine learning, or you can also do your masters in the courses like computational data scientist related courses and all. Okay, so, or what I mean, computational sciences. Okay, you can do also your masters in energy studies nowadays. Renewable energy and all are very important, right? So people can do their masters in that. In atmospheric sciences also, you all know, right? Prediction of climate and all is very important, and a lot of studies are done in climatic sciences in India also. So where aero engineers can get admission, especially from like IIT Kharagpur, ISC Bangalore, in IIT Bhubaneswar. There is a MTech 2-year program in atmospheric sciences. So every year we see aero engineer join, and then they get a very good job as well in non core field. Then you can also do in applied your masters in applied sciences. In fact, in applied mechanics areas also you can do your masters, and that is what I was talking, computational sciences. So these are the area which are directly related to your 4 years of engineering, directly or indirectly. And you can also do your masters in non-technical areas like in humanities and management courses, or in industrial engineering, and also now in management, one of our students from last year batch, you guys can see in IIT Madras, Ujjwal, he joined MS in entrepreneurship. Clear? So like that you guys can explore many more things. And somebody was asking me, can we get admission related to CSIT branches with gate AE score? Currently I'm not very sure, but there is no harm in exploring that. Clear, everybody? So those who are watching this session are clear what are the courses they can do and in what all field they can work. uh, Yes or no? I just want to tell one example. One of my junior, he was a Gate A score holder, and he did his masters from a government college, I think in Rajasthan, from Bikaner, in energy studies. Now he's currently working for government of India. Okay, in GOI he is working. Okay, related to that area. Clear? So, guys, it is not like that you do your masters in aerospace, then only you will succeed in life. Okay, or you do masters from very good institute, then only you will succeed. Okay, wherever you do masters, you have to perform well, and you have to opt or grab available opportunities. Fine. So now, guys, next where you all will be looking, right? So what are the colleges and options available, guys? So if you see currently in India, these are the colleges. Okay. In my case, guys, when I wrote GATE exam, for me only there were two colleges available. Which all two colleges, guys? When I got my GATE 2009, I was so unfortunate. For me, only two colleges were available, which those colleges were IIT Madras and IIT KGP. Okay, with those two colleges itself, I secured my admission in IIT in aerospace engineering, because I am a ASI graduate, okay, and in my time, to ASI graduate, none of other IITs other than IIT Madras and IIT Kharagpur were giving admission. Clear, everyone? Now, guys, you all have so many options. Nothing to worry. If you have a good valid gate score, Ujjwal, is it clear? There is no point to take, there is no point to get a headache, okay, when you have a reasonable valid gate score. And in our time, uh, there were not so many people who were available to mentor, because in my time, what is ASI? ASI is Aeronautical Society of India. Okay, so I am a ASI graduate. Yeah, thank you. So, guys, my point is, if you are really concerned to get, yes, Surya Sridhar, if you are really concerned to get uh, your admission in a good college, then uh, then plenty of the options are available. Okay, then there are plenty of options available now, and in fact, many more options. I have seen last year people were getting admission in many colleges in one round, four college, five college, even those who are having gate score less also. Okay, so getting admission nowadays not a tough task. The only thing, the number of available opportunities will be also limited. So you have to grab always available opportunity wherever you go and wherever you take admission. Okay, so you have to work hard after getting admission in any college. Now, guys, these are the options. So always, guys, people prefer ISC Bangalore as a top college, then IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur. Okay, these all four colleges have good number of seats, specifically in IIT Kanpur. In IIT Madras now there are two kind of seats, HTTA and non-HTTA, right? Earlier there were only 9 seats around. Now they have added 23 seats. Okay, HT, they call HTTA and non-HTTA. Okay, so that also we'll discuss later. In IIT Bombay also good number of seats are there, but in 2023 admission was bit poor. I will tell why it was. Then IIT Kharagpur. In IIT Hyderabad also, guys, the department is common. The Department of Aerospace and Mechanical Engineering. And in last batch we got two students there, and before that also two students joined in 2022 batch also. I will discuss that. Half time teaching assistantship, HTTA. Okay, that is stipend. Some people get stipend, some people will not get stipend in first semester in IIT Madras. Okay, so that is what but in second semester they may get stipend based on their performance there. Okay, there are some criteria for that. IIT Guwahati also have master's program in aerodynamics, in propulsion, in I think in mechanics area also, under mechanical department. IIT Dharwad department is also common with mechanical, metallurgy, I think material sciences or metallurgy with aerospace. And IIT Indore, there are programs in space technology. Okay, so these many options, guys, you have. Okay, directly in aerospace course. Now, guys, indirectly there are many other courses like related to applied mechanics, mechanical, atmospheric, energy sciences, and all. In these colleges, like in IIT Delhi, there is a department called Applied Mechanics. There you can get admission with GATE A score. But usually in IIT Delhi, cutoffs are bit high. Okay, we will discuss that also when we discuss cutoff part. Then IIT Bhubaneswar, IIT Ropar has one very good course, MTech in computational mechanics. Then IIT Mandi, they have masters in robotics, also in mechanical engineering subjects also. That is another good option. Then IIT Patna, masters in thermal sciences or masters in advanced manufacturing technologies. IIT Gandhinagar, they have masters in material sciences, and they specifically look for aero engineer there. And in IIT Varanasi also, you can opt for masters in industrial engineering or a masters in mechanical sciences. And IIT Tirupati, IIT Bhilai also, people got offer from these colleges also in, masters in mechanical engineering related courses. See, the scope is very simple. Once you get in IIT, you can get either job in core also, non-core also. You all know, right? There are hundreds of core mechanical companies there in different domain. Aerospace is also applied branch of mechanical only, right? So you can work in aerospace domain, can work in automotive domain, you can work in heavy industry, you can work in these renewable energy companies and many more. Okay, there is no specific scope depends on what branch you take, what work you do, what all companies are visiting in campus. And guys, if you are from IITs, there are plenty of off campus jobs available, okay, directly or indirectly. You guys can, once you are from IIT, you can always upload your CV in portals like naukri.com and other places, or in nowadays LinkedIn is also very effective. So there are good chances you will get a, good breakthrough. You will get a right breakthrough. Okay, so I never suggest you opt any college just based on one fact job. Okay, you choose a good college based on infrastructure, your area of interest, facility, where you want, from which college you want to pursue your masters, based on a professor and all other factors. Okay, now guys, that is first choice. Okay, usually I don't suggest guys directly go for a research course, because you might have already spent 4 years in BTech or might have taken a drop. You have already spent 4 years, 5 years, or 6 years now to get an admission in master's course. So usually I say go for a 2 year MTech program. But you want to get in a very good college, and if your gate score is not that that enough to get 2 year program, then there are other programs also available in tier 1 colleges, like in these colleges, right? Suppose your gate score is only around 500 to 600, so, and you are in general, so it is not necessary you will get admission in ISC Bangalore or IIT Madras or IIT Kanpur. Okay, in 2 year program. You may get or you may not get. But always there is one program nowadays called MTech Research or MS program, which usually take little more time than MTech 2 year program. But there are fair chances if you perform well in interview, you will get selected, and they will call for interview based on a reasonable gate score only. It's not necessary to have a very high gate score. I will just give one example. In ISC Bangalore, we got one of our students with AER around 105, or I think 107. Okay, in ISC Bangalore in MTech research course. Okay, in 2023, right? So guys, someone who is so fond of ISC Bangalore with this rank, 107 rank, can also get aerospace department, but the course may not be MTech 2 year program. Clear? Neil, MTech research or MS also have very good scope. I am also one of the research guy. Clear? I also have worked around 9 plus years in industry. Now I am not working in any industry, but many of our friends who did MS, they got placed in many good company. Many of got even and after that also they left and went for PhD programs, and some of them directly went for PhD program abroad. Some of them are doing PhD in India. So guys, only difference is what it takes more time. Okay, Neil, completing MS or MTech research will take really a lot of hard work. It is not that easy or cakewalk. General category, Yadav Sumit. In general category, AR 107 got MTech research in 2023 in ISC Bangalore in propulsion. Okay. In fact, that guy was graduated from USA, from University of some UCLA is there, na? The UCLA is what? University of California, I think. Okay. Yeah, we'll discuss. So 500 to 600. Yeah, you can get usual. Yeah, these courses, if your gate score is falling between 500 to 600 with general, you can apply. Then mm, they will shortlist for interview. Mostly, many people get interview, and there are fair chances after interview. Okay. Now, you guys can also apply in other IITs like IIT Delhi, IIT Mandi, IIT Guwahati, okay, related courses for MTech research or MS. Like one of our student earlier joined this IIT Mandi in robotics. Okay, you guys can see that his session is available on YouTube. Now, guys, third preference. So, guys, you don't want to do. Suppose somebody don't want to do MS or MTech research. Okay, not ready to struggle. Then, if their gate score is 500 plus minus, okay, or can say 500 to 600, and in general, then generally interviews will be in May month around. Okay, mostly in May June. Okay, May month you can expect. ISC take interview first, mostly in April. Okay, and their application also get closed early. So interview will happen mostly in May month, or may some interview may go to June, but not late than that. So guys, other good options for GATE AE score holder, if their score is in range of 400 to 500, okay, then other good option is one of the best is IST Trivandrum. Then another good option is DIIT Pune, and you guys can also get in NIT Surat. Mr. Neil, in NIT Surat, turbo machinery is there. Rank doesn't matter. Inspiron. In Aero, people worry about rank, but if you take other gate paper, even I will share, guys. I think in 2019, 2019, guys, you will not believe one of our mechanical student whose AER was around I, I don't remember exactly, some 3,500 plus minus or around. He also got admission in IIT Madras. Okay, in IIT Madras. I can write here. Let me write in properly. In IIT Madras in Applied Mechanics Department in MS course, and he got in CFD. Okay, so rank is just number. What matters in your admission is gate score. Clear, everyone? No, how third year student can apply? They need to complete their degree, no? Those who are passing or passed out student can only apply for admission. Others can just watch this session. Okay. So those guys who are watching this session, if find this session is useful, can thumbs up to session quickly, guys. If you guys are finding this session is useful. Okay, so let's move to, yeah. So here also, guys, if your gate score is 400 to 500, you guys should apply to NITs also. In fact, the placement is good in NITs also, like in NIT Trichy, NIT Warangal. Uh, Earlier days, I have seen even people join NIT Allahabad, NIT Durgapur. Even one of our students joined NIT Jaipur, and he got placed in Siemens. Clear, na? So, guys, in fact, some of our friends earlier days joined NIT Allahabad. They got placed in Cummins. Then you joined other colleges. There is possibility you may get rejected. There is nothing like sure. You have to apply multiple places. You need to have a backup plan also. See, you want to get in tier one college. If your gate score is not high, then you will be applying for research based courses. They may call for you. They may call you for interview. You may get selected, you may not get selected, but there are tier 2 colleges, right? There are NITs, there is a IST Trivandrum, DIT Pune. Yeah, you should get IIT Bombay structures, you should get, but I will tell in next session about IIT Bombay. 2023 admission was poor. Kim Jong on. Okay, you will get mostly IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur, okay, with this gate score. IIT Madras, you may get, okay. Mostly you will get in IIT Madras. The only difference you may get HTTA or not. Otherwise, in IIT Madras, in 2023, the number of seats were around 30 total. Okay. No, NITs are not having aerospace domain, but I already told na R Kumar, they have thermal sciences, they have machine design. You guys know in aerospace industry how important is fatigue studies. All of you know, right? And we don't study about fatigue. Fatigue mostly people study in mechanical in machine design about stress concentrations and all those. So if you want to work in aerospace, not necessary you need to be, graduate only in aero degrees. Or clear, there are plenty of people in G, they are working in G. Yeah, Sunil, don't worry about general EWS. We in EWS, even with 400 plus minus, uh, people got in very good places. The cutoff for EWS is lower than OBC nowadays. Okay, so that part is different, guys. We will discuss in next session cutoff and all discussion, because yet 2023 official admission cutoffs are not available. We have cutoff from IGC student, okay, but I want like once official cutoffs are available, then we will do that session. But don't worry, EWS cutoff will be lower than OBC. In general, see, if 550 plus possibility is there, uh, this year people got admission in IIT Kanpur with 550 plus gate score in general. But I'm not sure in structures or other. Some people got in flight mechanics. Yeah, in IIT Kanpur, there are two options, Ray, structures related. One is aircraft structure and one is computational mechanics also there. So any of these two is good. Yeah, some ranker around 190 ranker also got in IIT Kanpur. So that gate score fall around 550. So now comes to these other program, which are also equally good programs. and but an option, like doing direct PhD. Okay, suppose your rank is very low. Okay, you have a valid gate score of 400 plus minus, and you want to use that gate score, then you can always apply for integrated PhD program. Okay, you may get call, okay, for interview, and then you have to perform well in interview. You have to justify why you want to do PhD, then you will get. Our student have got with this 400 plus minus gate score, integrated PhDs in IIT Kanpur, in IIT Jodhpur, and for IIT Bombay also in December semester people have got integrated PhDs, okay, with the lower gate score. So these are the other options. So usually I say, guys, if you have 400 plus minus gate score, why you are sitting 1 year at home? You can join PhD integrated program. You will get a stipend of 35,000. You want to prepare for gate, you can prepare. If you are getting interest in PhD, continue with your PhD program. Uh, IIT Bombay have certain, they give admission to mechanical people also, and IIT Bombay is always hot choice. So many times mechanical people get admission first in aero branches, and they will not block their seat, and then later on they will, withdraw that seat. So what happened? The aero guys have to choose other IITs till they get offer from IIT Bombay. Okay, because you can only return twice your option in COAP. So if you are offered twice seats from different places, you have to choose one of them in third. Okay, you cannot return in third round. Means once you offer twice, then you can return, and then you have to freeze. Clear? So now, guys, yes, integrated PhD program is there in majority of the places. So people can apply with a valid gate score, and they need to prepare SOPs. We have done one session also last year on SOP and other stuff. Our alumni have given insight on how to prepare a good SOPs. Okay, so you guys can watch those sessions. Those sessions will be very helpful. Yes, Ankur, you can get with this 42 marks in IST Trivandrum. You may get in IIT Indore also. If you have EWS, I think from IGC with 380 score around, we got in IIT Indore with EWS. Alright. Okay. So you have to apply more places. If your gate score is below 500 in any category, you have to apply more places. Okay. That we will discuss, guys, in the next. Okay, now another last option. So guys, you have a valid gate score of some like 350 plus. Okay, and you are not getting anywhere admission, and you want to prepare again, and you want to get a stipend at least monthly. If you take a MTech program in India, in any government college, ideally you should get around 12,000 rupees, right? The monthly 12,000, how much? 800. Am I correct? Or 12,400. So that stipend you will get in government colleges. Some colleges may not give that stipend. There is a cut money also. Okay, and you guys can also do masters from MIT Chennai uh, through 10 set, or I'm not sure they accept gate score or not. But we have people who did yes, so 12,400. Yes, good, 12,400. So if you have a valid gate score, you can always claim this 12,400 because this is given by Government of India, MHRD. Okay, so you can apply for that scholarship through that college, and then uh, if they accept, you can get it. So, guys, there are plenty of institute in India where if you have a valid gate score, either from private or government institution, you can do master program. Okay, and even in different domain, different field also. Like one of our students from VIT, Vellore Institute of Technology, he joined masters in these data sciences with a valid gate A score, and he got good scholarship also. There is one option, triple IIT Hyderabad. Uh, there also we have got our students uh, fellowship program in management. Vignesh, you can Google it in IIMs through gate score. Meena, I cannot exactly tell ki you will get it or not. Usually, with these marks, you should get in IIT Bombay. But I am telling guys, in IIT Bombay in 2023, there are many vacant seats. Okay. Later on, they offered around nine seats in IIT Bombay in sport admission. Okay. But what was the criteria? Those who are coming for sport admission, they should have 500 plus gate score. So those who had a 500 plus gate score, they already got admission in other places, and they freezed their seat, right? So they couldn't take admission in IIT Bombay. Last year from IGC, in fact, only two or three people joined in Aero department because three people joined control and guidance in IIT Bombay. So in IIT Bombay also, there are different specialization along with control and guidance department. Yeah, that's good to hear. Okay. So they are offering if seats through gate score. Okay. That's good information you are sharing, Black Pearl. Yeah, people want to take, and yeah, one more thing. In fact, guys, one of our students from MIT also got placed in a, I think, Mercedes Benz or some good company. She learned gate from us. She got good knowledge of strength of material and all. And then she got placed Black Pearl. She was doing masters from there. And after getting placed, she has shared us message. Ki I got placed in a good company. Okay. So if you are having good knowledge and at right place, it's not necessary you need to be from a top college. Okay. Yeah, IIT Kharagpur is also good. And I was hearing in IIT Kharagpur they were going to increase the number of seats. So I'm not sure. And there was talk of providing multiple specialization also in IIT Kharagpur as well. Okay, like in IIT Bombay or IIT Kanpur. Yes, you can use GATE 2024 score for 25 also, 26 admission also. Because GATE score is valid for 3 years. Okay. Now, guys, if you are having a good financial background and if you are having a valid GATE score, you can opt your studies in Germany in these two colleges, RWTH Aachen and Technical University of Germany. One of IGC student joined, guys, at RWTH. Okay. In fact, he got offer from ISC Bangalore also. He he I think spent 6 months in ISC Bangalore, but same time he got data sciences in RWTH. Then he joined there. Okay, and then previously we have seen our students got admission in Singapore also, in NTU Singapore in aerospace engineering. The only thing, Singapore is costly place. Okay, but Germany is not that costly. In Germany, there is one scholarship called DARD, think DAAD DART scholarship between India and Germany. If you're applying there, you can apply for that scholarship. Okay. Kim Jong Un, he don't say definitely and all. because admission depends on many factor, guys. COAP tool is bit tricky. You cannot decide your admission. Okay. Yeah, IIT Kanpur you will get, because Meena, I thought Kim Jong, you are talking about IIT Bombay. In IIT Kanpur there are really good chances, because number of seats are many, number of options are many. Okay, um, plenty of people in 2023. In fact, from IGC, how many people got? Anybody can tell? IIT Kanpur from IGC, how many people got? In IIT Kanpur. The half of batch is from IGC only. Kim Jong Un. How many people got? Shrey, you know how many people got in IIT Kanpur in 2023? Every second student is from IGC in that department for masters. So we got 23 students. Okay, you guys can see those students' name, their specialization, their Alma BTech college name also. Now, guys, what 43 mean? Not 43, 23. Okay, we don't exaggerate our numbers also. Okay, exactly, we publish our result with all fact, no manipulation. Now, guys, how to prepare for MS or MTech interviews. uh, you have to choose one area, and based on that area you have to prepare. Okay. Yes, you should, Sanket, you should apply more places. You should apply like IIT Indore, IIT Ropar, IIT Dharwad. Okay. You should also apply for research courses. You will get it. Okay. Like our track is saying, mostly people get it, but they have to put efforts. Sanket, yes, one of guy Pavan got in IIT Kanpur MS program, as well as in IIT Madras MS program also, and his gate score was around 420. Yeah, both will be possible, but in IIT Madras you can't get stipend easily, because for stipend number of seats are very less. In fact, they put condition last year कि those who are non-HTTA, they may not get hostel. But finally, everybody got hostel. Okay. So these are the areas, and they need to prepare accordingly the respect these mentioned subjects. Okay, for their MTech research or MS interviews, and these are the books they guys can refer, standard good books. No, nothing like good or bad. Both are good. IIT Madras is also good. IIT Bombay is also good. Okay. We have alumni in all the places, and everywhere people are happy. Okay. And everywhere they have to study well. So, guys, don't refer books such as like Ramamrutam, Kurmi, Bansal Das, and all, right? Or D.S. Kumar, that Kumar, this Kumar. Now you need to follow right references. You need to read. You need to understand the application of concepts. And in IITs, if you go, or ISC Bangalore, if you go for any interview, they will be looking for your basic knowledge and how you can apply your basic knowledge in a practical problem. Okay. That means score less than 500. Yeah, of course, with general category MTech program in old IITs, it is tough, of course. It's not that easy in Aero, department, considering the number of seats. Okay. So these are the books, guys, you can refer. And in IGC, we have discussed multiple times on these books parts and how to prepare. So prepare accordingly. Now, guys, the last part, what all PSU jobs or government jobs you guys can have post your gate or post your 4D, like fourth year. Okay, so you guys can get DRDO and ATA scientist position based on GATE AE score, and they are recruiting from last few years regularly. Okay, and happy to share in 2023 from IGC we got 11 scientists in DRDO and ATA. Uh, and there are several other posts also in ATA and DRDO based on GATE A score like junior research fellowship, project assistant, project engineers, and all. So these positions also based on GATE score. The other PSU related jobs for aero engineers are from ISRO, HAL, Bharat Electronics Limited, NL. So they recruit not permanents or scientist post, but they recruit for JRF or project assistant, project engineer post through GATE A score regularly. Then there are other important exams, okay, after your gate like HLDT. HL have from last 3 years their own exam for aero engineers to recruit. HL design training exam or DGCA also takes exams like air safety officer exam, or there is a ICRB exam for ISR in mechanical stream, or FCAT exam for Air Force for aero engineers, or Airport Authority of India. They have post for air traffic controller, junior executive. They have their own exam based on your plus two knowledge, and many other exams like BDL also allow aero engineers to appear in their exams and other places. Okay, and you guys can go through these important links, because what I observed in 2023, many eligible people they didn't apply for DGCA jobs. In DGCA ASO post, there are very good number of posts. I think 44 posts were there without any experience for aero engineer, but many eligible people they didn't apply. So guys, in future you can work in all these government sector, okay, either through some other exam or based on gate A score. Okay, so these details I want to share because you guys keep it in mind, and uh, from whichever organization among these listed, whatever position came in 2023, all those are posted on IGC YouTube channel. So you guys can go through our IITians Gate Classes parent channel and explore what are government jobs are there for aero engineer. So be ready, for future. And this ATC, Airport Authority of India, they are giving post in bulk and regular post, guys. Okay, so that's all for this session, guys, and for cutoff and admission, exactly in which place, which category we will be discussing in cutoff session once admission process starts, because that time official cutoffs will be there. For time being, you guys can refer our last year session where we have discussed 2022 admission cutoff. Okay, usual others those who are talking now where they can exactly sanket, uh, so with that cutoff you will get fair idea. Okay, what are the your chances based on 2022 admission in upcoming days will be yes, mechanical engineer can also get in dynamics and control in IIT Bombay. Yes, Thunder. COAP registration will start. You can see now one of the COAP session is available on IGC channel. Okay, in that post gate guidance this playlist. So usually that starts before admission, COAP admission. Once the result come after that, because uh, uh, I, exactly I don't remember. One more thing I want to tell you guys: the admission in NITs, uh, in NITs, or these tier 2 colleges in DIIT, NITs will use UAP. You all know, right? For NITs, there is one separate admission process. Anybody knows what is that? For NITs, what is that, guys? The admission in NITs is not through COAP. Anybody can tell? In NITs, DIIT, all the courses are offered through what? Shrey, which portal? And these admission starts late. The admission in NITs, hmm? Anybody? Yeah, CCMT, very good. CCMT. Okay, so through CCMT portal, admission will happen in NITs, triple IITs, and other colleges, along with. But IST Trivandrum, they have their separate admission. Okay, so IST Trivandrum is not coming under COAP. Okay. So guys, that's all about this session, and in brief, guys, again I will tell about IGC's GATE 2025 and 2026 courses available, and our best course, all of you will be knowing, is GATE online coaching program, where we put a lot of efforts. We provide live, we provide recording of live classes, we provide in-depth classes in live classes. We also provide e-study material, topic-wise assignments, 120 plus mock exams. Those are best, for Aero guys, and a very good doubt support, problem practice classes, a lot of motivation sessions, and you guys can see our feedbacks about our support in Telegram group. I get many messages, but I'm not sure I share every message. But you guys can see the support provided by IGC, and you guys can see the IGC's excellent track record of producing best ranks in last 3 years through our different online programs, and none of our rank is fake. Okay. Silo, the course features, yeah, it is written as features. I understand. Thank you for pointing, Lloyd. It's a features. Okay, thank you. I'll ask my typewriter to correct it. Okay, so course features. Okay, yeah. So, guys, I was talking about PSU jobs. So, yeah, triple IITs are taking also through. Uh, Not all triple IIT. Some triple IITs have their own exam also for CS people, and triple IIT DM, right? They triple IIT DM they call it. I'm not sure, Ajinkya, possible to use DA score or not, because they will mention before admission in this particular MTech program, which all get paper score is valid. EWS cutoff, Amit, even 400 minus also, you will get the admission in IIT 2 year program based on 2023 data I'm talking. Okay, so 412 also got, below 400 also got down the line in IIT's 2 year program. The stipend is 12,400, Aditya, in IITs, in MTech 2 year program or in MS program. If you join PhD program, then it is around 35,000. Yeah, yeah, correct. Thank you. I have thanked Ujwal, the person who corrected that features spelling, because even I didn't notice that. So triple IIT Hyderabad, yeah. So fine. Swati, IIT Madras and IIT Bombay both are good. In IIT Madras, I was telling now, you may not get HTTA, that is stipend in first semester. Second semester also they put condition. Okay, and IIT Madras had good placement perspective because they have these intensive programs. Swati, we will do dedicated session in coming days on each IIT by our alumni. Okay, you can go through previous session. So what is the basic difference? In IIT Bombay there is no internship option for MTech people. But in IIT Bombay, there are good internship options for MTech people also. And some of our IGC students, they got pre-placement offer. They went for internship program from ISC Bangalore also, and from IIT Bombay, IIT Madras also. Clear? Okay, so you guys can see in future you can become also a scientist if your gate score is good. It depends on call. You may get call or not. That also on number of vacancies they are posting. Based on that, they will select people for interviews, and based on interview performances, they will get recommendation. And we are happy many of IGCNs are getting in such post. Okay, in HL also you guys can see in 2023 we got 4 people from IGC out of 10 posts. So now guys, if any doubt I can answer quickly guys. So guys, how was this session? Those who are watching this session guys can thumbs up this session if it is useful. So today I'm not discussing guys specifically cutoff, because if I keep discussing with all these things it will take 2 hours, and it is not good to spend together that much time in any particular session. So any doubt related to what we discussed in today's session? So one thing I want to tell guys, it's pretty clear. If you have any valid gate score, if you have any valid gate score, is what? Useful. Clear? Everybody clear? One point. If you have any valid gate score, what it is? In any category, either you are from general, you are from EWS, or you are from OBC, or you are from SC, ST. Now guys, if your gate score is not high, you have to take challenges, right? You have to see, instead of thinking after 1 year I will get better rank, okay, and then I'll join some course. It is not necessary always after 1 year also you'll get better rank. Shrey, you know fact, right? Because rank depends on many factors. Yeah, Meena, 680 is a reasonable score to getting in old IIT. Mostly you will get IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur easily. In fact, nowadays, 550 to 600 gate score also may get offer from old IITs. Okay, but they will get late. They will get admission. Yeah, one most important thing is what will be important for you all is what? Patience during admission. So guys, the spelling of patience is correct? Yes or no? Is the spelling of patience is correct? Right? You guys can comment. So you have to keep patience what? Till July, August to get a good college. If your score is falling in range of, you, I will just give the lowest range. If your gate score is falling in 350 to 550 not 550, you can say 500. Okay, let me write conservatively 550. Okay, so if your gate score is falling in this range, you have to keep patience, because there will be first 6 round, there will be then additional rounds. Sanket, if you have to keep lot of patience to get admission in a good college, because first there will be 6 round, then there will be 6 additional round, then there will be what, sport round also. Okay, like in IIT Bombay, they do. First, they will offer seats to mechanical people. They will withdraw from those seats usually, and then those seats will be allotted in sport round. But in 2023, what happened? Majority of people joined IIT Kanpur because of delay in admission in IIT Bombay. Okay. Now, guys, so patience will be key in admission. If your gate score is falling between this 350 to 550, and you have to apply in as many places, you have to, of course, spend the fee of that form of that particular course or particular, institute. But you have to apply. If you think I will not apply, I'll get admission just like that, it may not be possible. Okay, fine. So yeah, computational mechanics, right? Yeah, this program also I can tell, because this question is related to this program only, computational mechanics. So basically, Shrey, in computational mechanics, people work in broadly, you can say, numerical methods. Numerical methods. Okay, and they work on both structure side also and fluid also. Now, in structures, you all know, right? What we use mostly FEM, and in fluid, what we used CFD, right? Computational fluid dynamics, which will be on finite volume method, right? And in structures, they use this FEM. So, this is what computational mechanics. Now, you tell me, are these close to our aerospace domain or not? I have already suggested you have to apply on all research courses, R. Kumar, and you have to apply in tier 2 colleges at least. Tier 2 colleges. And of course, you have to apply in IITs also, like new IITs at least. And like you are, that next, today we will not discuss minimum marks and all. Sorry. Yes, Ray, you must join that course happily. And after 2 years, you come and tell. Shrey, after 2 years of learning, you have prior job experience. You will get surely, even through Naukri.com itself, a very good job. Forget about campus placement. You have prior job experience, and if you are masters from IITs in computational mechanics, I can assure you a good job. Forget about other people. Okay, I have got so many jobs, guys, with experience from Naukri.com. In fact, I have worked in 5, 6 different companies, and I always got job call from Naukri.com because of my good fundamental and experience in structural analysis. Okay, because I too worked in aero engine also, nasal also, in uh, this airframe also. Okay, see, day by day your age will go up, right? And your responsibility will increase. So if you can do masters now, it is good. And in core, always masters people will have the better chances to go in the ladder. Okay, clear? So that's all, guys. Thank you guys for watching this session, and you guys can reach us on these numbers if you are looking for any future support from IGC. And I think I have answered all the questions which were relevant to this session. And thank you guys. You guys can follow us on different social media platform. You guys can join our Telegram link, Telegram group for all the past and future updates. And guys, you guys can like this session if you guys felt this was a useful session for you all. Thank you guys. Clear? We can wind up. Thank you all. Yes or no, guys? Quickly say. We can wind up, right? Okay, so let's wind up. Yeah, you guys just respond. Okay, thank you guys.